So I just wanted to show y'all a trick that can help you make curves in Excel, and so you can put two data sets on one line. So here I have a set of data, and whenever I go to graph it, so I just click insert line chart, for example, it wants to have two separate lines. But this is oftentimes not what it wants to get. So because this data should make a nice curved line whenever it's graphed properly. So what I want to do is, instead of selecting a line chart, I want to select a scatter chart, scatter plot, which if you don't want the dots, you can just select this one right here, which sometimes it will graph the data the way that I want to. But other times it's kind of weird and it might not. So to get around that, what you can do is you can go to insert, over to the scatter plot. And then what you want to do from here is you want to click select data. Series name, let's just call it series 1. Then you can specifically select the x values and the y values. They're to be graphed. It can also be very beneficial because I can only graph certain parts of data. So for example, I can go and graph this first chunk. Something like that. I can add another part. Hit these bottom. And get the bottom chunk right there. And now I only have two portions of the line graphed. So I hope that you all found this to be helpful. Please like, subscribe, comment, and have a great day.